Welcome! In this video, we'll explore useful English words that start with the letter J, from jaded to jog. You'll learn their meanings, Spanish translations, and common collocations. Let's get started. Jaded, tired or bored after too much of something, jaded traveler, jaded attitude, feel jaded. After years of working in politics, she felt completely jaded by the system. He had become jaded with city life and longed for peace in the countryside. Jagged, having sharp, uneven edges. Jagged rocks, jagged edge, jagged teeth. The jagged edges of the broken glass made it dangerous to handle. They hiked through the jagged peaks of the mountain range. Jigsaw, a saw or a puzzle with many pieces. Jigsaw puzzle. Electric jigsaw. Jigsaw pieces. He used a jigsaw to cut a curve in the wooden board. Jigsaw puzzle. A puzzle with many small pieces forming a picture. Complete a jigsaw puzzle. 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. He spent the afternoon working on a challenging jigsaw puzzle. The pieces of the jigsaw puzzle fit perfectly together in the end. The word jigsaw is most commonly used for the jigsaw puzzle, but it can also describe a jigsaw of something, a situation that is complex and made of many interconnected parts, like a puzzle. The evidence formed a jigsaw of the crime scene. Jingle, short catchy sound or tune. Christmas jingle, catchy jingle, radio jingle. The catchy jingle played on the radio as the new commercial aired. The jingle for the holiday ad became very popular and was stuck in everyone's head. Junk, old or useless things. Collect junk, throw away junk, full of junk. The attic is full of old junk that we never use anymore. He collects random junk from garage sales and sells it online. Junk food, unhealthy. Processed food, eat junk food, avoid junk food, fast food junkie. I'm trying to avoid junk food because it's not healthy. They were eating a lot of junk food at the party last night. Justify, to give reasons for or align text. Justify actions, justify decisions, justify the text. She couldn't justify her actions, so she apologized to everyone. You need to justify your decision with evidence before making it official. Make sure you justify the text so it looks neat on the page. Juvenile, young person, often negative context. Juvenile behavior, juvenile crime, juvenile court. The police arrested a juvenile for stealing a bicycle. Juvenile offenders are treated differently in the court system compared to adults. The Juvenile Detention Center is a place for young offenders to be rehabilitated. Jog my memory. Help me remember something. Something jogs my memory. Jog your memory. The old photograph helped jog my memory about our childhood vacations. She couldn't jog his memory, so he started looking through old letters. And now, let's expand on the concept of jog your memory, comparing it with refresh your memory. Both jog your memory and refresh your memory refer to actions that help someone recall something they might have forgotten. They are often used interchangeably, but there are subtle differences. Jog your memory is more casual and often refers to providing a clue or hint to trigger a memory. Refresh your memory is slightly more formal and implies reviewing or revisiting information to bring it back to mind. Examples. Can you jog my memory about where we met? I can't seem to remember. The photograph jogged her memory, and she recalled the event vividly. I'll refresh your memory with these notes before the meeting. He had to refresh his memory about the procedure by rereading the manual. Comparisons, examples. Let me jog your memory. This is the book we read last year in class. I'll refresh your memory. Here's the summary of the book we read last year. The smell of the ocean jogged his memory of childhood summers. He refreshed his memory about those summers by looking through old photo albums. Alternative expressions. For jog your memory, bring back memories, trigger a memory. For refresh your memory, review, revisit information. Great job! Now you know new English words that start with J. Keep practicing and watch the next video to keep growing your vocabulary. See you next time.